This is Mark Alston, and I have a question for you. How would you like to download hundreds of dollars worth of private label rights products for free? Well, that's what Resale Rights Weekly is all about. You see, Resale Rights Weekly is a free membership that offers you instant access to hundreds of dollars worth of private label rights products and resale rights products. Plus, every week you'll also be able to download 2 new products. These are new digital products that come with a turnkey marketing kit. Each product includes a professional sales letter, website, download page, graphics, and of course the actual product, which may include a PDF file, software, video file, audio file, or program script. If the item is a private label rights product, you will also receive the source files for that product. This may include a text file, a Word doc file, audio file, a video file, or software script source code. Obviously, the files you receive will vary from product to product. Each of the products in the members area are yours to keep. You can resell these products as many times as you want, and you keep 100% of the money. Resale Rights Weekly is a free membership, but I must warn you that due to increasing hosting bandwidth costs, this free offer will not last much longer. So I encourage you, click on the link below to sign up for your free membership now.